morning, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a landscape 3D model. Okay, later in the next video we'll be seeing how to do the lighting for the landscape. So here I have considered a sample drawing of a landscape area. For your reference, I will also share the link from where I got this landscape, so even you can do the practice, right? So this is a very nice landscape area. We shall enter it from here. We have some deck area which is shown in this kind of hatches, water body. This is a seating, flower pots, trees and a pathway. This is a floral bed. Again, here some planters, trees, and this are sculpture. You can see the legend here. Okay, so these are sculpture, flowers, bench. So this drawing is very neatly, properly drawn, and it is also available in one of the websites which I will be giving the link below, so you can easily go and download it. Okay, so this is the landscape area, and here you have some house. These are stairs, so it means that this part of the area is slightly upper than this area because we have stairs here to go up, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is we have only the plan view, we don't have elevations and we don't have sections. So I'm going to assume the heights as per me. So make sure you follow the video completely to draw this landscape drawing. So let's get started and import this one in the Dialux Evo. Go to the Dialux Evo. Import plan or IFC. So I have imported from your destination file where you have saved it. So my drawing is properly imported. I will set the origin. Okay, units are in meters. Okay, so this is your drawing. If you want to recheck the dimension, you can go on any known dimension like your door and you can verify it. So it is 1.1 meter, which is correct, right? So we'll see this plan in the 3D view. This is how it looks in the 3D view. Now whenever we are drawing the landscape, first we will start by drawing the base. Okay, base in the sense the boundary. So whatever the outer boundary is there here, so it creates a nice ground platform. So we are going to draw that first. To draw it, we are going to go for side, draw polygonal floor element. So you can even go for rectangular or circular floor element, but this is in an abstract shape, so I'm going to draw it using a polygonal floor element. The advantage of drawing your own floor element is the area is less. Okay, you're going to draw as per the area, and because of that your calculation speed will increase. If you draw the area much more than your drawing, the calculation time will increase. So select drop polygonal floor element and draw this the outer one, so it creates a ground. So we'll start by going here, select the first point, zoom in, click on the points so that you're drawing very precisely. And close polygon. So your base or a ground is completed. So what we'll do first, for reference, we'll just put a green grass texture to everything. We will draw this part later. So first we'll put a texture here. So go for textures, select catalogs, material, outdoor, floor, and here you have grass. Double click to select it, minimize the window and apply material. So we have finished applying the grass texture. We'll go back to the plan view. So now we have finished drawing the ground. We'll next see what we can draw the first. So we can go with the pathway. Okay, so it covers the maximum area. Then we can go and draw this the deck area. To draw the pathway, you can select draw extrusion body and follow the same pattern to draw it. We'll start it from here. Close polygon. One is done. To draw the another, select again, draw extrusion volume. Close polygon. Similarly, draw other all extrusion volumes for the pathway. So we have finished drawing this, and this. The left out is this one. So it looks complicated, but in real it's not actually complicated. What you want to do is just follow the shape and draw the extrusion volume. Make sure you zoom in to draw it. So we'll zoom it, select the first point. Okay. You can, once you have drawn and you feel you need to be more precise, select this edit polygon and you can edit it. So this is a path we have completed. Now we have to give the thickness to it. So I will select all. To select all, what you can do is click on one, hold the shift key and select the others. So I have selected all the extrusion volumes. Now I will define the thickness. So maybe it will be 0.02, or you can even keep 0.05 to show a bit thick. This is your pathway. As you apply the texture for the grass, similarly you can apply the texture for the pathway. You can go to the inbuilt textures. In the floor, in the paving section, you have here so many kind of different styles of the pavement. You can select the one you like. So let me just choose this one, apply. So here you can easily replace the material. This is how. If you like this one, you can keep it, or else go back, choose any other one like this one and replace the material. Okay, so I feel the previous one was much better, so go back. Okay, come back to the plan view, zoom all. First we'll save this drawing. I'll save it on desktop. So I've finished saving the file and I have finished drawing the ground, the platform. The next thing we are going to draw is we'll draw this deck area. To draw the deck area, you need to again select the draw extrusion volume and follow the shape to draw the. So this is a water body and this one looks like a boundary for the water body. So you have to draw it from this side. Go to the top view and this is your deck area. Select it and define the thickness. The payment was 0.05, so I will keep even the deck to be 0.05 and this is your deck. I don't have any inbuilt texture, so you can Google it. You can search for the deck textures. So you can go to the images. Here there are so many seamless textures. Select on any one, save image, save on the textures folder, go back to the drawing, create texture material. So I have my texture here. You can just replace it. So here your texture is properly placed. If you want to, just rotate or incline this texture, double click on it or just a single tick and you will get this kind of grid lines on the texture. And here you have one move symbol placed. Select that one and place it on one origin. Okay, then on the other hand, once you go on the opposite end, you can see the rotate option and slightly rotate it as per the orientation you require. So say if I need this rafters to be uh, to be looking like horizontally placed, so I can align it like this, or if I need it to be vertically done, so I can rotate it like this. Okay, move the option, move the texture like this. Okay, so now you can see the rafters are properly inclined. Same you can repeat here, single click, place the texture properly, use the rotate tool and rotate it. So now you have this wooden texture properly placed on deck. Now we'll start by doing this some nice design here, that is of pebbles and flower bed. Even here we'll start by drawing extrusion volume. Select the extrusion volume. So first decide what area you need to draw first. Like suppose you want to draw the pebbles first. Draw only the pebbles squares. Or say if you want to draw only the flower bed. Or say if you want to draw the flower bed, draw only these squares which contain the flowers, right? So now I'll first start by drawing the pebbles. So I will finish this square first. Okay, so we have finished drawing the pebbles. Oh, here one thing is left. So we'll draw even this one. So these are our pebbles. We will select all and decrease its thickness, the height. So what we are going to do for this extrusion volume where these pebbles are there is we are just going to give the texture so it resembles that there is some pebbles there. We are not going to import any 3ds files for this pebbles, right? So go to the textures, create texture material. I already have this two pebbles textures, so you can select any one and replace the material. So here are the pebbles. It's more realistic when you have a nice texture in it, right? So we have finished the pebbles. We'll save our drawing. Okay, go to the plan view. Next thing we have here is the flowers and the grass. So we will draw the grass first. Draw extrusion volume. Follow the squares. Define the height. So now this is something like grass. So I'm going to give a grass texture to it. This one. Or maybe we can choose the other one. This one. Okay. So this is a lot much better. Go to the plan view. The left out is the flower bed. Draw extrusion volume. So we have drawn these three flower bed. This one we'll draw later. So you can put any texture of your choice for flower beds. It's totally easy. Just go to the Google. Okay, suppose you need to put flower bed texture. Just type here flower bed texture, and you can get so many options. So save whichever texture you like and you can import it in the Dialux. So I have already saved all the textures which I will be requiring, so you can choose any one of your choice. So this is done. Now we are entering from here. We have the pathway, we have the deck area, we have the nice patterns of grass and flower bed and pebble stones. Now you see here is a pathway, and there must be some boundary, or this area might be a little bit more at height compared to this one, or there might be some boundary. So what we are going to do is, for the plants where it is here, we'll draw another extrusion volume. Draw extrusion volume. Close polygon. So you know that your path is of 0.05 height. So I will just keep this one a little bit more height than the path. So maybe 0.07 or 0.06. So you know when you have this path here, you can see some thickness here, or you can make it even more. We can keep it directly 0.1. Okay, like this. So here I will apply the same green texture. Replace material. So this one is on a little slightly upper than this one. Okay, I'll just apply this color here. Later we can give a different color. I can just replace it. So it looks like a boundary here. We have drawn this grass pot. We have drawn this grass part. We'll draw this flower bed now. Go to the plan view. Draw extrusion volume. It will be 0.1. Texture. Select this one and replace it. So you have this flower bed and the green grass here. Similarly, we will be drawing here on this side. Replace the material and on the side just apply it. Okay, so you have nice boundary and a greenery on this side. So we have completed maximum thing here. Okay, um next what we'll do is we'll just place this benches here. For benches you can go to the catalogs, object catalog, street or outdoor planning, and you have different bench options. Here you can select any one of your choice, maybe this one. Double click and it will be getting and it will get selected. Place individual object and here it is. You can rotate it, scale it manually as per the scale it is shown in your CAD drawing. Go to the plan view and recheck it. So this is your sitting. It looks nice. Copy the same over here. Again save it. Again scale it as per the CAD drawing. So this is it. Now our this part is completed. We have some kind of wall here wherein we have even the water body. So first what we'll do is we'll draw this wall. You can draw it using the extrusion volume itself. So go here, zoom in. Okay, so this can't be a wall. Okay, so here it is not a wall because you can see this path is following this path. So maybe there's a mistake in the drawing and this can't be the wall. It is continuing. If it was a wall, there might be some steps like here. So for now, since we don't have much detailing, we will not consider this to be the wall. Okay, we'll start the wall from this side, right? And close polygon. So this is the wall. You can give it the height of 2 meters, or if you want you can keep it more. So we don't know what kind of texture we are going to have here. So we will place our own texture. Maybe a concrete or a brick will work. So let's select something from brick or other. Maybe this one or this one. So we'll just select this one. Apply material, or you can replace it. Replace material, and here it is. Now let's understand this water body. So here there's a wall, and here there is a still water because you can see the waves coming from here. So maybe it's falling from here, and it is water is standing here. Okay. Then here if you see there is some steps, one step and second step, and this could be the stones. So the water is falling from here and then on stones and then here and then standing over here. So we'll draw it. Let's see how we can draw it. Here we'll draw one extrusion volume so that it looks like it's standing still. Okay, draw extrusion volume. So define the height. Maybe let's give it a little less height itself, 0.5 meters. Okay, draw another extrusion volume. So it looks like it's kind of a similar to something where you have a swimming pool where you need to have some space where a water is standing. Close polygon. Go to the side view. Okay, so this is my first cube and this is my second cube. I'm going to subtract this first and second cubes so that I have one something like a container kind of thing. Press shift to select both the things. Then go to this copy and arrange tool here in the subtract. So which one will be appearing as a pink color, that is the one you will be getting after the difference operation is performed. So subtract it. Any random texture or color will also work. So what we'll do is we'll just select the color. So we'll make it slightly green color and replace the material. So this is done. We will draw a water here inside. So to draw the water you need the extrusion volume. Draw extrusion volume. First draw it, you can adjust it later by using this tool. Done. Decreases its thickness. Bring it up. Now you can give this a water texture. Anything of your choice. Double click to select it and replace the material. So here you have the water body. Similarly, we are going to draw it on the other side also. So we have finished drawing the water body, or we have even to make the waterfall, but we'll see it in a few steps back, because in this first part I'm going to show you whatever you can draw it yourself using the extrusion volume. So in the part 2 of this video, I'll be showing where you can get the exact 3D models, and so that you can import it. So we'll keep this part where we have to import the 3D models, because you need some kind of rocks here and some water to be flowing and coming here, right? So we'll just keep this on hold, this part. But here we have a floating water. So what we can do is we can easily make it in the Dialux Evo itself. How? Let's go and check it out. So we'll go to the plan view, and the water is flowing from here and falling here. So for that one, I'll draw the extrusion volume following the wall, because it is coming from the wall. Define some thickness and close the polygon. You can adjust it using this one, edit polygon tool. So this is your waterfall. We'll make it resemble like a waterfall, but first we'll adjust the heights. It will be something near to the height of the wall, like this. So now it doesn't look like a waterfall. So how we can make it more realistic? By adding a texture. You heard it right. So go to the textures, create texture material. Already have here some kind of a waterfall texture. Okay, make it transparent and give some degree of transmission. Okay, you can check first this one, what is this reflection factor and degree of transmission. It is 29 and 1.5. so we'll define the sum for this one also, 5, and this will be transparent, and this will be 1.5. You can make it even manually, and this will be somewhere 5, right? So replace the material. This is how it will be looking, and adjust the scale. So now this looks more like a waterfall, but this and this colors are different. So choose the water textures which matches this one. So I already have something like that, like this one. So similarly make even this one to be a transparent, and degree of transmission to be 1.7, and refractive index 1.5, and then apply material. So this is not properly placed because it's not a seamless texture, but you can edit it. So now this looks much better. So you have a waterfall here, and then a standing still water here. So isn't it easy, guys? So isn't it easy to follow this one rather than importing any 3D models? So this one is okay, but here we have to import the 3D model because we need to have some kind of water flow here. Okay, this one is correct. We'll just keep it as it is. Now the next thing we need to draw here are, okay, sculptures we need to import, trees and plants we need to import, um, flower bed even we need to import. Okay, so the next thing here would be the drawing the stairs here. Okay, and then give a platform here, and then the boundary. So we have three things left. Swimming pool, I have already explained how to draw the swimming pool in my previous videos. But we'll just have a quick look on drawing the swimming pool too. So to draw the stairs, first draw the extrusion volume as per the first stair, close polygon. Okay, define its thickness, maybe zero point 0.2 will do, or maybe zero point 0.1. If you find it more thick, you can even decrease it even more. So maybe I will do it 0.02. Now it's better. Select this one, select this first step. Okay, and then we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stairs. So I'm going to use copy along the line. First point, second point. Okay, the quantity is 11. Follow curve shape, apply. So my stairs have been properly placed, but I just need to adjust it here. You can see in the 3D view, we will delete this extra one. Okay, so this level is on 0 level, so I need to have some height over here because I have stairs. So maybe I can assume it myself since we don't have the section details. Let me keep it say it is at 1 meter height, then this the normal one. We'll just check it out. Okay, 0.8 meters. So this is your first step, which is at 0 level, and this will be at 0.8 level. Select everything and go to copy and arrange. Under combine option and then align, you can see this option, distribute evenly. Select this one and your step will be properly placed. So these are your steps, right? Give some texture to it. Replace the material. So these are the steps. Now whatever the platform I have here, it will be odd at zero point 0.8 meters. So what I'm going to do here is go to the side, draw polygonal floor element and draw this floor, this one. Okay, we have some staircase here also, but we don't know the levels. So for now we will just ignore this one and we'll draw a even floor at this side. So this is the other polygon which we have drawn, but it is not thick. So we can define the thickness manually over here in the size option. Give it 0 0.8 meters. And here you have the thickness. Or you can directly make it as 1 meter. So here it is on the other level. So you can see the difference. This is the ground level and this one is on the height area. Give the texture to it. Apply material. Here you can have the same texture. We will make it something in a gray kind. You can't replace the material for this one. Okay, so you have to just apply it. Save the drawing. Then we have one building here, so we'll go to the story and building, draw new room. We will draw one room here just to give the sense of a room. You can adjust the thickness once you have finished drawing the room, or you can directly go to the draw new indoor outdoor counter and draw it from there. Indoor and outdoor counters separately. So go to the side and this is your building. So you can increase the height of this one, maybe 5 meters or maybe 4 meters. Then go to the plan view. We have some doors and windows here. So go to the apertures and just draw them. So this building what we have drawn, it's actually been placed on the lower level. It's not at the height. So we can go to the building, select the building. Okay, so this is in the side view and this is on the building mode. Just click on this and it will get selected. Select this move position. Okay, so here is the building. You can manually lift it up. Select this. Make sure the floor is inside, or if you want you can make it fully up or you can make it little less. So this is how you have to lift it up. Now you can see the my this building is placed on this floor, not on this floor. Okay, so this is how you draw it. Just change the texture. Here you go. Now the left out part is the swimming pool and the boundary wall. We'll just finish off it quickly. For the swimming pool, draw the rectangular floor cutout and just by assumption draw one rectangular here. We are going to adjust it when we are coming here like this. So we have finished putting the cutout. So once you select somewhere else, you can see even the depth. So if you want to have definite depth, just select this one, limit cutting depth, and here you can adjust the cutting depth. So it is 0.7 meters. You know this, it is on height of point, that is 1 meters. So I can give anything at point, maybe in 0.99 also, or 0.95 also, or zero point 0.9 also. So it will be zero point 0.9. So here is the swimming pool. So you can give the texture here, which is easily available in the Dialux Evo catalogs. So go to the textures, indoor, and wall, tiles, and here you have a texture, apply material. Okay. Draw another extrusion volume to resemble the water body. So take that extrusion volume. Decrease the thickness, bring it up, give it the texture of water. You can use the similar one or you can go and change it the other one. So go to the textures, outdoor, water, and you can use something from here. I will use this one and replace the material. So here it is your swimming pool. Next we have this boundary for the swimming pool, that is a deck area. So I'm just going to draw the extrusion volume for this one also. If you want to reduce the thickness, you can even reduce it. So our swimming pool is ready. This our home is ready. Maximum of the landscape area we have completed using the extrusion volume. And then comes the tricky part, that is the boundary. So boundary wall you can make it by yourself or you can import it from any of the 3D models, but here I will show you how you can make it yourself. Okay, so if we finish the boundary wall, I think that is the one we can create using the extrusion volume. Later whatever is remaining, that you have to import it. So we'll see how to make this boundary wall. So for the boundary wall, if you see, there is some circular type and this is the wall. So first what we'll do is, first we'll draw the wall using the extrusion volume. So we have the extrusion volume. Select the first point, second point and follow the shape of the boundary wall. So we have finished the boundary wall. Now you can give the texture to this one. And replace the material. So the boundary depends upon the real 3D model. So the boundary wall depends upon how in real you are going to have the boundary. So for now here I have just drawn the wall, but you have to just confirm with the client or the architect and draw it in the similar way, right? So we have completed maximum of the part which we can do it in the extrusion volume and using the inbuilt options of the Dialux model. That is, we have completed the grass part, we have completed the pathway, we have completed the deck, the water body, the swimming pool, stairs, and the building. So in the next part, we are going to import the 3D models for the plants. Okay, that is what the major thing is missing out. And then we'll have some, sculptures here. So in the second part, we'll see where we can get the nice 3D models so that we can import it and make it more realistic. So this is it guys in this video. Stay tuned to watch the part 2 of the landscape 3D modeling. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.